So, you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel. Let me be real with you. This is going to be harder than you think. I wish someone told me this when I started, because I had no idea how much work it would take. I thought, I'll just make some videos, I'll put them out there, and people will watch them. Yeah, that's not how it works. I'm 41 and I started this journey knowing nothing about algorithms, editing, or even how to get people to watch. But I learned a lot, and today I want to share the things no one told me. The truth you need to know if you're over 40 and starting a YouTube channel. Because trust me, this is not for the faint of heart. Let's start with the biggest misconception. YouTube is not a quick get-rich side hustle. In the beginning, it's a full-time hobby. You might have heard that it takes time to grow, but let me put it into perspective for you. According to vidIQ, it can take an average of 15.5 months to get monetized. That's over a year of putting in work before you even see a paycheck. And that's if you stay consistent. Now, I don't say this to scare you. I say it because I don't want you to be discouraged when you post your first 5 videos and get 10 views. That's normal. I went through that. Everyone goes through that. This takes time, but if you love creating, if you have something to say, and you're willing to enjoy the process, then you're already ahead of the game. Okay, this one sounds harsh, but hear me out. In the beginning, no one is searching for you. They're searching for a solution, a tutorial, an answer to their problem. And this is where a lot of people mess up. They think, I'll just start vlogging my life and people will watch. I hate to break it to you, but unless you're already famous, no one is looking for you. But don't let that discourage you. This just means you need to focus on providing value first. Teach something, share a unique perspective, entertain, help people. Once people trust your content, they'll naturally become interested in you. And when that happens, that's when you start building a real audience. I remember posting my first few videos and refreshing my phone every 5 minutes, hoping for views. And when I finally got one, it was probably me clicking on it by mistake. If you're expecting to blow up overnight, let me save you some disappointment. You won't. And that's completely normal. Growth takes time because YouTube is figuring out where you fit. It's testing your videos, seeing who engages, and slowly pushing them out to the right people. So if you feel like you're talking to an empty room right now, don't give up. Every big creator starts right where you are. The difference between those who make it and those who don't is the ones who make it just kept going. I know some of you might be thinking, I'm too old for this. And let me tell you right now, no, you are not. In fact, I'd argue being over 40 is a huge advantage, and here's why. You have life experience, wisdom younger creators just don't have. You understand consistency and patience better than most. And you have stories and perspectives that people need to hear. The only disadvantage, if you want to call it that, is the learning curve. You might not be as tech savvy as younger creators, but guess what? Everything is learnable. If you're willing to put in the effort, there's nothing stopping you. Let's talk about the biggest roadblocks, fear of judgment. I struggled with this. What would my friends think? What if people don't take me seriously? But you know what I realized? None of those people are paying my bills. None of them are building my dreams. So why should I let their opinions stop me? Truth is, some people won't get it. Some will laugh, some will ignore your content, but the others, they will be inspired. They will connect with your story. They will thank you for showing up. You can't let fear stop you from creating something amazing. Let's be real. Most of us won't mind making money from YouTube. But here's what you need to understand. Money comes way later. The YouTube Partner Program requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But even when you're at that, you won't be making thousands overnight. Here are a few examples of some income streams you can implement to help you make some extra cash. Sponsorships. Once you build an audience, brands will pay you to feature their products, but most companies won't reach out when you're small. You'll have to pitch yourself and prove your value. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money. You recommend products you already use, share a link, and get paid every time someone buys through you. Even with a small audience, this can bring in a passive income over time. Selling your own products. This is where the real money is. Whether it's digital products like ebooks or courses, physical products, or even coaching. Having something of your own to sell gives you full control over your income. Monetization is not just about AdSense. The biggest YouTubers won't rely on ad revenue alone. They create multiple streams of income. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, start thinking beyond just getting monetized. Think about how you can build a brand that actually supports your goals. Look, I know this isn't easy. I know it can feel overwhelming, but I also know this. If you show up consistently, keep learning, and refuse to quit, you will see results. YouTube isn't just for the young. If you're over 40, you have a voice, you have experience, and you have value to share. Don't let doubt stop you. So tell me, are you ready to start? Drop a comment below and let's do this together. Thank you for hanging out today. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you found this video inspiring or helpful, I'd love it if you could give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.